Have you ever looked at the world, the billions of people, the vast oceans, the infinite galaxies, and felt small? Like your life doesn't really matter. You think to yourself, if I wasn't here, would it even make a difference? You feel like just another face in the crowd, fighting silent battles no one sees. But stop right there. If you are hearing this right now, it is not random. It is because the King of the universe wants to remind you of something you forgot. You are not an accident. You are not a mistake. Out of billions of possibilities, Allah chose you to exist in this exact moment. Not before, not after, now. And He chose you for a reason. Think about the detail in a snowflake, like the pattern on a leaf or the rhythm of the tides. The same one who designed the stars is the one who designed your heartbeat. Allah orchestrates every detail of this universe with perfection. Do you really think He would create all of that with such precision, and then create you without a purpose? He is Al-Bari, the one who shaped you exactly as you are. Your voice, your thoughts, your scars, your story, every struggle you've faced, every tear you've shed, and every hidden strength you carry is not random. You are not just created, you are carefully written. You are a masterpiece of the divine, with a signature that no one else in existence can replicate. Listen to what Allah asks. Did you then think that we had created you without purpose, and that you would not be returned to us? Allah is telling you that there is no such thing as a useless life in His kingdom. Your existence is intentional. Your presence is necessary. Even if you don't see the full picture yet, every moment of sabr and every act of shukr is being woven into something far greater than you can imagine. You are here because Allah wanted you here. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your journey is different because your purpose is different. What if your delay is actually your preparation? He is Al-Alim, the one who knows what you don't. He knows the strength inside you that hasn't been revealed yet. He knows the pain you've survived that is shaping you right now. He knows the good you carry that the world hasn't seen yet. So when you feel like you are not enough, remember this: the one who created the sun and the moon is the same one who created you, and He does not make mistakes. You have a role to play, a soul to heal, and a light to share that this world desperately needs. You are loved by the most loving. So walk with your head high today, not because of who you are, but because of who created you. You are not forgotten. You are not insignificant. You are a chosen servant of the Most High. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video and share it with someone who needs this reminder today. And if you believe your life has a purpose, type, "I am here for a reason," and carry that truth with you today and always.